Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Look, hi! I have a guest. Are you gonna help mommy? Yes? Okay. So today, I'm gonna do, the video that I promised a long time ago. Wait lang, nakafocus pa ako. There you go. Nung nag 1 year ako sa vlogging, I promised you guys na I'm gonna do a giveaway pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas kasi it's impractical na magpa-ship ako from Singapore. So, today I'm gonna do that video. Ang aking 1 year. Actually, it's not really 1 year sa YouTube kasi even before I started vlogging, nag-YouTube na ako. I cannot remember which year. 2012, I think. Pero noong time na yon, mga puro beauty videos lang, tsaka nag-English-Englishan pa ako dun kasi I was under the assumption na mga Singaporean yung manunod sa akin kasi I was in Singapore. Pero, ayun. So, anyway, without further ado, let's get this video started. By the way nga pala, in a way, this is also a giveaway to thank you guys kasi as of today, I'm at 995 subscribers. So, 5 na lang, 1K na. So, might as well do this video for that purpose. Yung 1 year vlogging and almost 1,000 subscribers. Kasi parang ayoko nang intayin na umabot pa ako ng 1,000 bago i-film to kasi very rare na nga lang opportunity ko since if you don't know guys, I'm pregnant. So, habang may energy pa ako at habang naka-makeup na rin lang ako, so I want to film it today. So, this is not something very grand or very bongga. So, but I still hope na ma-enjoy nyo yung mga items na binili ko for you guys. So, let's begin. So, first of all, I'm gonna put everything, wait lang ha, Zeb. I'm gonna put everything here sa loob ng, this is a, what do you call this? A recyclable, paano makikita? Tote bag. Ta-da! Cute. Owl. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. Yun. Naku, inagaw na ni Zeb. This is, I got it from Cotton On. Pag bumili ka kasi parang, the proceeds go to a foundation. So, diba, nagpag-giveaway ka na, nakatulong ka pa. So, I'm gonna put everything dyan sa loob pag, later on. And then, wait lang. Yeah. And then, I also got these pouches. This is also from Cotton On. Ayan. Actually, wait lang. Lahat na lang ng papari ko. Ouch, Zeb! So, merong 3 sizes ng pouch. Mga French words na kasulat. Bonjour. Bon voyage. Voyage. Ayan. What happened? Wait. You're okay? Okay. May masabi mo na kasulat. Au revoir. Voila. Merci. Tapos ito heart, and then flower or floral. So, let's put inside. Mommy's gonna put inside, okay? Yan. And then, parang puro Cotton On. Actually, most of these are Cotton On and Ruby. This set of earrings, ilan ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! 9 earrings. This is also from Ruby. Close up natin. So, yan yung mga designs niya. Flower, leaf. Yan. Okay. So, I hope magustuhan nyo. And then, I also have this one. It's a t-shirt. Kaso nga lang, no? Sorry ha. This is size small. So, hopefully, kung kanina mapunta, ay magkasya. Oh, so may maharang. You like it? You like lahat inagaw ni Zeb. And then, if you've seen my back to school makeup tutorial, most of the items na ginamit ko doon is binili ko. Actually, gamit ko din eh. Yung eyeshadow, yung BB cream. So, yun. We have the BB cream. I got it in the shade Natural Beige. Ito din yung shade na kinuha ko or ginamit ko sa face. So, yan. Lagyan natin ito. Kasi may nag-comment sabi, wala daw sa Daiso dito ng mga ginamit kong makeup. So, I thought of buying it doon sa Singapore. What do you want? And then, I also got the eyeshadows. Ito din yung same eyeshadow na ginamit ko. And then, I also got the blush on. Ito din yung gamit ko today para makita nyo. And then, I also got this one. I'm not sure kung practical. Na I bought a, anong tawag dito? Brush and sponge cleaner. Kasi this is my holy grail na panglinis ng mga brushes ko tsaka sponge. Ever since 2012 yata yun. 3 taon na. I have gone through bottles and bottles and bottles of this. So, super love ko tong ano na to, cleaner. This is made in Japan actually. Hindi lang ganun ka maganda yung amoy, pero carry, pwede. Kung gusto nyo, ito yung panlinis nyo, and then banlawan nyo ng conditioner, yung brush nyo, kung ano yung gusto yung amoy. Pero yan. I would assume na mga mahilig naman tayo sa mga makeup. So, siguro meron kayo kahit pa paano brush or sponge that you can use this with. And then, I also got the lipstick. But, ito yung lipstick na ginamit ko sa tutorial. Pero, yes? Ito yung ginamit kong lipstick sa tutorial. Pero, hindi ito yung shade na nabili ko kasi wala na to ng shade na to. Pero, actually, mas bet ko to. Kung nakita ko to before, nung naghahanap ako ng mas bibiling ko to. Deep Rose yung niya, yung shade. Yes. Si Seb nasa likod ng camera. Are you filming, Mommy? Come here. You say hi. You say hi. Hi. Okay, heavy. And then, this lipstick, na-mention ko to before sa haul ko nung May yata yun. This is the MN Me Now Generation 2 Long Lasting Lip Gloss. Para siyang ala NYX matte lip cream or where's yours? This one is yours. I bought 7 of this actually. And hindi lang nga ng totoong long lasting. So, but I still hope you will like this. Matte siya eh. Oh, alam ko matte to eh. Kasi yung lahat ng kinuha ko matte. So, kung ayaw nyo na sobrang matte, pwede nyo ilagay ito, tapos patungan nyo ng almost same shade ng lipstick. And, okay na rin, kasi tinry ko na rin yun before. And, yeah. And then, last but not the least is another lipstick. Dami lip product ko, 3 pala. This one is from Ruby naman. Actually, I bought this for myself, and then I realized, ang dami ko na ganitong shade. So, might as well give it to you guys. This is in the shade. Ano shade mo, te? Walang nakalagay. Hindi ko na makita yung pangalan nyo. Magenta! Yung pala sa ilalim. Hirap. This is in the shade magenta. Kasi ganito yung mga bit ko talaga yung lipstick. Mga purple, deep purple, dark purple. So, yun. That's everything inside. Or, everything na bibigay ko. And I hope, where's the t-shirt, Zeb? Sorry, nandun. And I hope kung sino man ang mananalo nito ay matutuwa sa mga binili ko. Sorry, I like what I mentioned. This is not something na super engrande or what. Alam niyo naman, housewife lang ang lola niya. So, this is the best that I can do. This is, by the way, sponsored by my husband. Yeah, so, ayun, the only mechanics for this giveaway is number 1, of course, you are a subscriber dito sa aking channel. And second, let me know sa comment section ano yung pinaka-favorite na video ko. Yeah, ano yung pinaka-favorite na video ko, whether tutorial, whether my vlogs, or kung ano man. Para, diba, may interaction lang tayo, hindi lang for the sake na sasali. So, ayun, And like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. Lahat naman ng links nandoon sa description box. So, ilalagay ko na rin ulit yung mga mechanics. So, if you want to win this goodie bag, just, yeah, follow the instructions. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye! Say bye! Want to say bye? Come here. Okay, bye guys!